What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. Here with a special straight out the box install for you guys, and today's wig is from LUVME Hair. This is their packaging. We received a goodie bag with edge brush, wig caps, and all the good stuff. This is it. So the wig we're working with today is a 14-inch stunning highlighted undetectable lace Loosewave wig, and honestly I fell in love with this wig immediately. As I took it straight out the box, I fell in love with it, and that's why I will be doing a straight out the box install for you guys. The wig comes fully customized and ready to be installed. This is it straight out the box. This is what it's looking like. It comes fully customized. It's already pre-plucked, already pre-bleached, ready to be installed. The strap is already on. It comes pre-curled for you guys. Now with all of that, what more can you possibly ask for? They did all of the work for you guys. The only thing that's left to do is to install your unit. And honestly, this is super easy to install because it's a 4x4 lace, and this is what our wig is looking like. So pretty. The lace is perfect and it's already plucked, already bleached for you guys. Super beginner friendly. So let's go ahead and just jump right into our install. So I won't be wearing any wig caps for this install. What I'm about to do is to put my wig grip strap on, and then we install our unit. I really fell in love with this. It just keeps your wig in place and it saves your edges. So I really do love this. So here we go. This is what our lace is looking like. Again, the lace comes pre-bleached for you guys. It's ready to be installed. It comes with that super deep part and I just love it. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So this is what our wig is looking like now that we put it on. As y'all might have noticed, I didn't put any foundation on my lace. This is the lace straight out the box. This is the wig straight out the box. This is it. And I am loving it. The cap fits my head so good. So let's just go ahead and finish installing our unit. The next thing I'm about to do is to cut the excess lace off, and then we glue our wig. Today I'll be using my olive oil wig grip spray to install my unit. Just finished cutting the excess lace off, and this is what our wig is looking like. This is it. It is completely glueless at the moment. This is it. And now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of glue around the hairline, and then that will be it. Today I will be using my olive oil wig grip spray to install my unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up. Okay guys, so I just finished gluing my wig and this is what it's looking like. Again, this is their undetectable invisible lace and this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I combed out the curls, but I feel like I'm just gonna fix the front. But this is it. It is super bouncy, super silky. I love it. I think I'm gonna re-curl the front so it flips backward, but this is it. But I think I want to restyle the front. I think I want to restyle the front section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style my curls. Super bouncy. Okay, this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Honestly, I am in love with this look. This is what it's looking like. It is super bouncy. I love the color combo. This is it. It is giving natural, super bouncy, super silky. This is it. Honestly, it is just stunning. I love everything about it. It is super bouncy, super laid. I love everything about this unit, and the unit comes fully customized for you guys. Again, this wig is from LUVME Hair. This is their 14-inch undetectable lace Loosewave wig, and this is what it's looking like. Want to get this wig? The link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from LUVME Hair, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is it. This is where I leave you guys for today, unfortunately. If you like this video though, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.